Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to talk about Shopify dropshipping store homepage design. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify website super fast and SEO friendly to rank on Google or other search engine, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. So today I am going to talk about should we add Instagram feed in our Shopify online store homepage. You can see that every premium or free theme you will find an option to add Instagram feed in our Shopify website homepage, or by default most of premium theme integrate in their demo version Instagram feed. So here is the main question, actually what is the benefit to add Instagram feed on homepage, or should you use this Instagram feed, or what is the negative side to use this element or Instagram feed on our Shopify website homepage. So listen me very carefully. So what is the Instagram? Everybody know about Instagram. Instagram is a very awesome and effective marketing tools. Using these tools we can increase our sales, bring our traffic, we can generate huge impact about our product. You can make a big awareness at our audience using the Instagram. This is the main things that I want to say. Instagram is a tools from where we can bring traffic in our website, we can bring customer in our website. So when they come in our website, visit our website, this time they no need to visit Instagram feed. Also we are not selling our product directly from Instagram, because we have website, there have a lot of e-commerce features, for example order maintenance, shipping maintenance, customer maintenance, a lot of things in our website. We don't get all the e-commerce feature in Instagram to run our business. So here is the main difference thing. Instagram is a tools we can use to bring traffic, bring customer in our website. So when we have customers in our website, then we no need to display again the Instagram feed at our customers. So what I wanted to mention that we no need to use Instagram feed on our website homepage. Here is another important thing, is that using Instagram feed in our website homepage directly make our website little bit slow, and Instagram feed is another reason to make website slow, especially in mobile version. And you know that, or you may don't know, most of Shopify users or customers are mobile users. That's mean most of the customers purchase product from Shopify store using their mobiles. So as Instagram make your website slow in mobile version, then you will lose your most of customers, you will lose your rank in Google. I hope you understand the main things that I wanted to share today. So what is the final recommendation for you? As a Shopify expert, I can say that you no need to use Instagram feed on your website homepage. This is directly negative side from my experience, and I always try to remove the Instagram feed from homepage when I work for any website, any clients, to make their website fast and rank on the search engine faster than previous. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.